Hey, what's up? This is Oliver, and today is January 4th, 2020, and I'm out here, Appalachian Trail. Gonna get a little PCT training hike in. Gonna do Deep Gap to Rock Gap, about 20.5 mile stretch right here, beginning North Carolina section. Unfortunately, the Forest Service Road has closed this gate, so that's gonna add another 5 miles to my hike, but no big deal. Better just get used to the road walking. But hopefully it doesn't get too much rain going here. It's about 45, 50 degrees right now. Hopefully the rain will die off in a good hour or so, and then it's supposed to be down to about 27, 26 degrees tonight. So be looking forward to trying out my new Noonatak quilt. Haven't had a chance to take it down any cold temperatures yet, but we'll just see how this road walk goes and check in later. All right, so I made it to Deep Gap. It was a nice 5 mile road walk. Not too bad. Rain picked up and got a little chilly. Then I just picked up the pace a little bit and warmed up. So yeah, looks like the rain's about gone now. So it's got about 8.5 miles to the Carter Gap shelter where I'll stay the night. So nice 8.5 left. All right, so just about to the top of Standing Indian Mountain. It's a nice little ridge walk at the last little bit here. It's pretty cool. A couple little views off to the side. Can't wait to get to the top and see what all out there. All right, so yeah, the top of Standing Indian Mountain's pretty awesome. Gonna go ahead and get off the top. That was pretty windy. Got about another 5 miles to Carter's Gap shelter, and then set up camp. Alright, not sure if the camera's catching it, but I am getting a little bit of hail right now. It's kind of died off a little bit, but it's a lot better than the rain. So keep going. You can see some little teeny tiny specks down there. At least it's not windy. Made it to Carter Gap. Gonna go find the shelter and then grab some water and then probably eat and call it a night. All right, so I think last night got down to probably about 20 degrees. It's pretty warm for the most part. Definitely had all my layers on, and a couple times it got a little windy, but the most part, it's pretty good. So I think it's probably pushing 8:30, 9 o'clock now. So I got about 12.5 miles. So hopefully I can manage a little over 2.5 miles an hour. Get to the car before the sun goes down. All right, here we go. All right, so about a mile in and finally coming up on some sunshine. So I'll probably be pitching some of these extra layers real quick. It's already getting kind of hot just in the shade, but so far it's been a pretty gradual 500-foot climb. Traction's been good. A couple of tiny stream crossings. Other than that, it's pretty beautiful. Made it to Betty Gap. So now it's the climb up to Mount Albert. I think it's about 2.5 miles and maybe 1,300 foot elevation gain. So I'll be looking forward to getting up there, taking a little lunch break, and then cruising down to the car after that. More steps to go. Up at the top of Mount Albert. This thing is a beast. Definitely a good training ground. Yeah. There it is. Right there, fire tower. Be happy to be sitting up there. All right. Leaving Mount Albert. Got a nice, mostly downhill 6 miles back to the car. There's only one little incline, but starting to warm up here. Hopefully it'll be about 40-some degrees by the time I get back to the car. Most of my water is still pretty frozen though, but good times. I just finished the last climb. I got 1.5 downhill back to the car, so it's all smooth sailing from here. It's been a pretty fun just weekend trip. Did some PCT training.